Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Adarsh Opportunity YouTube channel to Manu Swagat. Dear students, today we are going to study class 7 mathematics, laws of exponents, exponential laws. Exponent and power, it is the second video, part 2 video of your exponent and power. First video re ame exponents and power, base power ये विषय रे ame and exercise 11.1 already finish କରି ସାରିଛି. Today we are going to study exercise 11.2 and laws of exponents. First law, multiplication of a base. Multiplication, multiply base को हमें multiply करते हैं ताले हमें generally we know that 2 into 2 into 2 base multiply है equal to there are 1 2 3 2 to the power 3, but if 2 to the power 2 into base remains same base था कि multiply है कौन होगी 2 the square 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 4, then what will be the answer? Base remain unchanged, base 2 रहिबो, power will add 2 plus 3 plus 4 that equal to 2 to the power 2 plus 3 5 plus 4 9. That means we conclude that if a to the power n into a to the power n, base a remain same, power m and differ, then we will add the powers m plus n is your answer. 5 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 2. Answer will be 5 to the power 7 plus 2. That equal to 5 to the power 9. 5 to the power 9. In this way we conclude that if base is the same, then power will be r. Power r is your base same role. Multiplication. Multiplication रे power को हमें add कर पारिबो if base is the same. But another law for you, base different थी, bases are not same. Just like your power remains same, a to the power n into b to the power n. Here a and b different bases, power same. Just like your 3 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5. 3 and 4 are different bases, but power 5 and 5 remain unchanged. What will the answer? Answer कौन होगा? We will multiply the bases. Two base जो differ थिला, आमे ताकू multiply कर दवा. Power remain unchanged. Power से 5 रहेगा. That means 3 to the power 5 into 4 to the power 5, answer will be 12 to the power 5. ताले multiplication केस रे ए यही होची. Third law for multiplication, a to the power n whole to the power n. Power different but whole power गोटे रहउची आउ one power गोटे रहउ. Suppose 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 5. What will be the answer? Two exponents or two powers we will multiply. 2 to the power 3 into 5, answer will be 2 to the power 15. Answer is 2 to the power 15. Just like a to the power n, again whole power n, answer will be a to the power n into n. In this way, for multiplication there are three rules. Exponent and power हमें laws of exponents पढ़ते. ताले for multiplication there are three rules. Different bases. First one guys, number 1 रे आउ थोड़ी याद कर दूँगी. Same base, a to the power m into a to the power n. Answer will be a to the power m plus n. Here base remains same, power differ, power add हो जाଉଛି. But here base a to the power m b to the power m, exponents or power same अछि, base different. What will the answer? Base will multiply the base. Base को हमें multiply कर दो. हाउ मेनी जिते भी थी पावर सेम अच्छे a टू द पावर m b टू द पावर m c टू द पावर m into c to the power m. Answer will be a into b into c to the power m. Base remain unchanged, no base multiply. Power remain unchanged, power same रहेगा, base गुड़ा multiply ही होगी. Now exponent, laws of exponents for division. Division पाई आमे कौन? Division थे. Multiplication और rules गुड़ा जानी करते. Division. Fourth number rule, a to the power m divided by b to the power m अच्छी. Base differ अच्छी, a रो power m b रो power m. Division अच्छी, a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Power m remain unchanged, a by b to the power m. Just example, 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. Answer will be 2 by 5 to the power whole to the power 3. It is the first law, first division, another formula or law. A to the power m divide a to the power n. A to the power m division अच्छे. ये गोटे division रो formula गला. Second formula a to the power m divide a to the power n. Answer will be a to the power m minus n. If base remain unchanged or same, power will be subtract. Power subtraction m minus n. Just example, 3 to the power 7 divided 3 to the power 5. Answer will be 3 to the power 7 minus 5. 3 to the power 2 is your answer. In this way, you will be able to do your exercise. Exercise 11.2. Few examples, some examples are now. ताले different formula उड़ा तमे जानी गलो. एबे example केतना अछि देखिलो तापर exercise करिया. Your example number 7. Start. Example 7. Example 7. Can you tell which one is greater? Which one is greater? 5 square into 3 or 5 square whole to the power 3. Look at here, example 7, example 7, example 8, then exercise 11.2, example 12 tak achi, then exercise 11.2. Tale 5 square into 3. 5 square means 5 into 5 into 3. Answer will be 5 5 are 25 into 3 75. But here, which is the greater percentage? But here 5 square whole power 3 means 5 square into 5 square into 5 square. 3 times 5 square. 5 square 25 into 25 into 25. Answer will be 25 25 625 into 25. 625 into 25. 25 5 is 125. 4 5 carries 12. 25 2 is 60 50 plus 12 62. 4 2 carries 6. 25 6 is 150 plus again 25 5 is 125. 4 5 carries 12. 25 2 is 50 plus 12 62. 4 2 carries 6. 25 6 is 150 plus 6 156. Then which is greater? 5 square whole to the power 3 is much greater because it is only 75. It is 15,625. The answer will be greater answer. Then another example. Example 8. Example 8. Express following terms in the exponential form. 2 into 3 to the power 5. 2 into 3 to the power 5. Tale 2 into 3 2 into 3 5 times right hand. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 2 into 3. We should write 2 into 3 to the power 5. How many 2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 to the power 5 is your answer. Next, 2a to the power 4. 2y exercise. Sorry, example 8. Example 8 2y. 2a whole to the power 4. Answer will be 2a into 2a into 2a into 2a. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer will be 2, 2, 2, 2. There are 4. Similarly, a to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4. A to the power 4 is your answer. Another question for you. Example 8, bit number 3. Minus 4m to the power 3. Answer will be minus 4m into minus 4m into minus 4m into minus 4m. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, there are 3. Power is 3. Only 3 times. Right now. Minus 4m, 4m, 4m. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. There are how many? 1, 2, 3. Similarly, m into m into m. Minus 4 to the power 3 and m to the power 3 is your answer. Minus 4 to the power 3 and m to the power 3. Example 9 now. Expand. Example 9. Example 9. Example 9. Here is the question. Expand 3 by 5 to the power 4. Answer will be 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4. Your answer will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Similarly 5. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. It is very expanded form. Question example 9. Expand for your question. Similarly, minus 4 by 7 to the power 5. That equal to minus 4 to the power 5 divided by 7 to the power 5. Write minus 4 5 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Now minus 4. 7 5 times similarly. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, now example 10. Write the exponential form 888. Example 10. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taking base of 2. Taking as a base of 2. That means 8 into 8 into 8. Answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 to the power 4. What here? Example 10. What? The question is taking base of 2. That means 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. 2 to the power 3. That means 8 to the power 4 will be 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4. Answer will be 2 to the power 3 into 4 equal to 2 to the power 12. Similarly, example 11. Example 11. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 or 2 into 3 to the power 5. What will you answer? Here 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 2. Answer will be 3 to the power 7 minus 2 into 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 7 minus 2, 5 into 3 to the power 5. Multiplication. Power will be R, 3 to the power 5 plus 5. Answer will be 3 to the power 10. Here this question is not hard for you. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 2. Division means power subtraction. 7 minus 2. 3 to the 7 minus 2. 3 to the 7 minus 2 is 3 to the 5. Similarly into 3 to the 5. Multiply. Base remains same. Power will be R. R hela power 5 plus 5. 3 to the 10. Next question. 11 example 12. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 5. What will be your answer? Here base 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. Answer will be 2 to the power 3 plus 2. Multiplication अच्छी power R हो bracket दबा दरकार not necessary into 5 to the power 5. Answer will be 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Now look at here. 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Power remains same. Base will be multiplied. Go to 5 to the power 5. Now answer will be 2 into 5. 2 5 ka 10 to the power 5 is your answer. In this way you will be able to do your example 11. Another question. Example 11. V 8 square divided by 2 to the power 3. What is your answer? Look at here. Here the base is 8. Base is 2. Same base करिबा. ताले write 2 to the power 3 as 8. 8 को हमें 2 to the power 3 कर दो. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 is your 8. Whole power 2. Divide 2 to the power 3. This answer will be 2 to the power 3 into 2. 6. Divide 2 to the power 3. Here it is division. Subtract the exponential power. Power हमें subtract कर दो. Same base रे division थे. Power subtract 2 to the power 6 minus 3. Answer will be 2 to the power 3. Or you can write exponential for 2 to the power 3. Similarly, question IV also hard for you. 11 example, question number IV. It is a important question. Minus 2 power 2 whole power 3 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Look at here. It is minus to the power. Inside the bracket, exponent is 2. Outside the bracket, there is 3. That means it will minus 2 to the power 2 into 3. Similarly, it is 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Here, minus 2 to the power 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Power remains same. We will multiply the bases. Base will have something multiply. Minus 2 into 3 into 5. Whole to the power 6. 2 3 jar 6 5 jar 30. Answer will be minus 30 whole to the power 6 is your answer. Now another example, example 12 for you. Example 12. 12 to the power 4 into 9 to the power 3 into 4 divided by 6 to the power 3 into 8 square into 27. It is a long time question for you. Look at here. I will try to explain it very easily. 12 is your 2 into 2 into 3 whole to the power 4. Similarly, 9 is your 3 square whole to the power 3. Similarly, 4 is your 2 into 2. 9 is 3 to the power 2, 3 into 3, 9. Similarly, divided by 6, 2 into 3 whole to the power 6, 3 into 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 into 27, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 to the power 3. Now, it is a 2 into 2, 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. Similarly, it is your 3 to the power 2, 3 is 6 into, it is a 2 into 2, 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 into 3 to the power 3 means 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into, it is your 2 to the power 3 to the 6 into 3 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 2 4 is 8 into 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 3 same base को पाखा पाखी लेगा 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Here 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 2, answer will be 2 to the power 10. Similarly, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 6, answer will be 3 to the power 10 divided by 2 रो cube 2 to the 6, 2 to the power 9 into 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 plus 3, 6. What is the answer? 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 to the power 9. Answer will be 2 to the power 10 minus 9. Similarly, into 3 to the power 10 minus 6. Answer will be 2 to the power 9 minus 10 minus 9, 2 to the power 1 or simply 2 into 3 to the power 10 minus 6, 4 is your answer. Another question. Clearly exponential formula, this is your answer. But value find out करियो खाली 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 3 to the power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. 81 to 2 1 is 2, 2 is 162 is your answer. Another question. Another question, example 12. Another question is 2 to the power 12, 2 to the power 3 into a to the power 3 into 5a to the power 4. What will be the answer? 2 to the power 3. Here it is 2 to the power 3. What is the question? 2 to the power 3. 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into a to the power 3 into a to the power 4 into 5. A to the power 3, 5 a to the power 4. Only exponent is a. It is the power of a, not 5. That means this 5 is a constant number. 2 to the 4 to the 8 into 5. Similarly, multiply by a to the power 3 plus 4. Answer will be 8 5 is 40, a to the power 7. 40 a to the power 7 is your answer. Another question for you. Third eye. Third eye question is your 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 9 into 4 to the power 2. Answer will be 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5. Further divide करिबार आउ किछि chance नहीं. Here 9 means 3 into 3, 3 to the power 2. 4 means 2 रो square, 2 into 2, 2 to the power 4. 2 square again power 2. Answer will be 2 into 3 to the power 4, 2 into 3 to the power 4 into, right, just like this, 2 into 2 to the power 5, same base, into 3 to the power 4, divided by 3 रो square into 2 to the power 2 into 2, 4. Numerator has answer 2 to the power 1 plus 5, 6 into 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 square into 2 to the power 4. Answer will be 2 to the power 6 minus 4. This is 2. 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. Similarly, 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 3 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 6 minus 4, 2 into 3 to the power 4 minus 2, 2. 2 to the power 4 will be 2 into 2, 4. 3 to the power 4 equal to 3 into 3, 9. 36 is your answer. In this way, you will able finish your example 12. Now, exercise 11.2. Example one after another example करें. Exercise एवं केवे भी तुम पाए हार्ड हबनी. Try to yourself. निजे करियो चेष्टा करो. Comment box में मते comment करो जदि कार किसी problem अछि. I will solve it again. Using the laws of exponents. Number 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 8. Base remain on same. Same base रे power add is 2 plus 4 plus 8. 3 to the power 2 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 14. Similarly, beta 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 3. Answer will be 3 to the power 4 into 3, 3 to the power 12. It is pretty easy also. Ix 3 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 10 divided 2 to the power 15 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. What will be the answer? Here it is a division. 2 to the power, sorry, it is not a 10, it is a 20. 2 to the power 20. Question Ix 2 to the power 20 divide 2 to the power 15. That means it will 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power Ix 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 20 minus 15, 5 into 2 power 3. Answer will be 2 to the power 5 plus 3. 2 to the power 8 is your answer. Similarly, another question. V2I. A to the power 4, B to the power 4. Power remains same. Base will multiply A into B to the power 4. Answer will be AB means A fourth B fourth or AB whole fourth. In this way, question number 1 is your finished. Exercise 11.2. Question number 2. Exercise 11.2. Question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following exponential form. Simplify करके exponential form में लिखना. I 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 is your 2 square divided by 3 into 32 is your 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 2 to the power 5. What will be answer? Here 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 5 into only 3. Answer will be 2 to the power 3 plus 2 5 minus 2 to the power 5 subtract here into multiply by 3 to the power 4 minus 3 minus 1 because here only 3 means 3 to the power 1 power subtract habo base no then it is 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 3 is your answer exponential formula ଆଉ base जहाँ भी था exponent 0 है power 0 है answer will be 1 another question for you 2i 5 square whole to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 divide 5 to the power 7 it is your 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 division 5 to the power 7 5 to the power 7 here 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divide 5 to the power 7 it is your 5 to the power 6 plus 4 10 minus 7 5 to the power 3 similarly another question for you exercise exercise 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 into b to the power 2. What will be the answer? 4 to the power 3 by 5. 4 to the power 3 minus 5. Similarly, a to the power 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. Multiply b to the power 3 minus 2. Exercise 5 to the power 4 to the power 5 here that will be 5 into 5 answer will be 4 to the power 0 into a to the power 8 minus 5 3 into b to the power 3 minus 2 1 or you can write only b is your answer. In this way you will be able to do your question number 2. Now question number 3. Question 3. Say which is greater 10 into 10 to the power 11. Sorry. Question number 3. Say true or false. 10 into 10 to the power 11 equal to 100 to the power 11. Wrong. Because 10 into 10 to the power 11 equal to 10 to the power 12. It is 100 to the power 11 equal to 100 is your 10 no square 4 to the power 11 10 no power 12 equal to 10 no power 2 11 ja 22 are not equal that means it is not equal to. In this way you will be able to do your question number 3. Now question number 4. Express each of the following as product of prime factors only in exponential form. Prime factor or exponential formula ever kariba. It is not a hard question for you. Exponential form. 4 number question I 108 into 192. Prime factor करके 108 अच्छी 2 2 5 जा 10 4 24 again 2 2 2 जा 4 here is the 1 4 14 2 7 again 3 9 ja 3 3 that means 180 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 again 192 into 192 2 ले जाओ 2 9 जा 18 here it is 1 2 12 2 6 जा again 2 2 4 जा 8 here 1 6 48 2 24 2 12 2 6 2 3 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 32 to the 64 64 into 3 3 4 the 12 2 to 2 carries 1 3 6 the 18 plus 1 192 hey jo nikalti tala how many to the other 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, 2 and 3. 6. How many? 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 6 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, how many 2s are there? 2 into 2. Only 2. Here it is 6. Into 2 to the power 6. Into 3, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 to the power 3. Into 3. Answer will be 2 into 2. 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 8. Into 3 to the power 3 plus 1, 4. Is your answer. Similarly, you can do your question 4. Now question number 7. Sorry, 5. Question number 5. What is the question? 2 to the power 5 whole power 2 into 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 square into 7. Here 2 to the power 5 whole square. Answer will be 2 to the power 10 into 7 power 3. Similarly, 8 is your 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 into 7. Answer will be 2 to the power 10 here into 7 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3 to the 6 into 7. Answer will be 2 to the power 10 minus 6 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. Here only 1, 7 means power 1. Answer will be 2 to the power 10 minus 6, 4 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1, 2. Can the answer express? Simplify means you can write the result. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, 7 to the power 19. Multiply 16 with the foot 9. Another question for you, an important question in this exercise, 2i, question number 5, 2i. 25 into 5 plus square into t to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. 25 is our 5 plus square into 5 square into t to the power 8 divided by 10, 2 into 5 whole to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Here 5 plus square, 5 plus square, 5 to the power 2 plus 2, 4 into t to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Now, 5 to the power 4 divided by minus here into t to the power 8 divided by t to the 4 means subtraction divided by 2 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3, 4 minus 3, only 5. T to the power 8 minus 4 divided by 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 is the answer. In this way, your exercise 11.2 is finished. If any doubt, contact with me by help of your comment box, then I will help you. जय जगन्नाथ। आउ नेक्स्ट गोटे भिडियो पुणी तुम मान सहित साक्षात हम से विदाय दियो।